Harbor Breeze, Beach Creek ceiling fan in the master bedroom of my aunt's row house. Remake. Only fan in the house. Yeah, Kate?
Yeah.
Do you ever plan to install any more fans in the house, or
Probably not, because this is the room with the biggest ceiling.
Okay.
Yeah. The other ceilings are lower, so it's a little harder.
Okay. What was the remote again?
It's over on the bedside table here.
Okay. Thank you.
There you go.
There's light. This is the remote. Here's low. Go ahead. This is low. Let me see if I feel in the air. Feel slight air. I did this video 2 years ago. This replaced, I think, a light. There was no fan here before. Did this replace a light? No. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's right, you got electrical wiring. Yeah, there was nothing in here. It does wobble a little bit on low speed. You aren't able to notice it though. Medium. Yeah, starting to get a little more wobbly. Blows a decent amount of air. Now, I think we're gonna do high now. Here's high. And here's high. It wobbles on high a little bit. Well, that was a pretty good, decent amount of air. I think it does good for a Harbor Breeze fan nowadays. Blows a ton of air. And now I am going to turn it off.
What's that? Yes, it is. Clear. Yep. Okay. Are you still filming?
Oh, I'm turning it off. It's
okay. How are you?
free blading. Yes. I'm gonna wait for it to spin down. Here it is. I'm gonna try to get a quick view of the top. I don't know. Guess it could do. Anyways, that's that.